Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Unbrain Tech. This is Unbrain and today we are going to be discussing about a software named Comet. It is an AI app, a software that is going to help you build website through AI without any stress of traffic, without any stress of getting sales on it. How does it works and how does it looks? All the in and out of members area, all the OTOs and all the bonuses that we are going to get along with this product. We are going to discuss this all in this video. But before discussing more or before going into the details of this product, I just wanted to tell you that there is a link down in the description box. Just click on it and then you will reach to the sales page of product that looks like this. So where it tells a small intro about Comet, which is a brand new 2024 app that turns ChatGPT into a money printing machine. AI app that creates us set and forget sites and blast them to hundreds plus traffic sources in just 46 seconds. This is what the owner of this or the vendor of this product claims. So guys, it's basically perfect for beginners with no tech skill required and no experience is required. The front end product is just for $17 if you grab it today right now, and it's in a offer and it's in this discount, guys. So I want you not to lose this opportunity. Here is a button, click here to grab. Once you click on it, you will reach to the purchase page and then you can easily grab the product if you're interested in, guys. This is the members area of Comet. That starts with some icons here on the left hand side. This is the dashboard of Comet, which says some summary, the basic summary of this product. When we go down, there is a traffic sources option where we have 100 plus of social media free traffic access available, and we can get the millions of unlimited traffic from all these sources. We have marketplace like Warrior Plus and JB Zoo. Basically, we can build an affiliate site that can give you no stress of traffic and where you can get the lot of traffic through these traffic sources. How does it work? We will see that. There is an AI site suite that tells us where we will mention the site title, okay, and the site we are interested to build up. And let's say if we want to say our title is Make Money Online, generate results. Let's see what it comes up. The titles for Make Money Online articles: we have unlocked the secret of earning online, proven strategies of beginners. These all are some of the lucrative and the trending titles of the time. You can just grab any of this title and get some details out of it through this AI based software. And there is a site intro. Okay, if you want to get some intro about your website you're going to build, you can just do what kind of intro you want, you can just mention some descriptions here and he will give you all the details. Site outline, site sections, like all the, basically this is a product, this is AI based software application that is going to help you build a website, as I told you, an affiliate website with unlimited traffic. You don't have to worry about it. You can do some basic settings if you want to change the template, the background of a website. All you can do easily inside this application and in the dashboard. There is some training also. If you click on it, then you will get into the basic training how you are going to create a website that can where you can do set and forget sort of options. You can see hundreds of tutorials, trainings, and a lot of learnings over here. How does it work? How you can start the website. All the learnings are right here. So if you will see, there is some footer. If you play footer text, there is an option of like what kind of footer you want. You can just edit all the texts over here, and then you can update. Your website will be having this footer which you have updated here. So basically you have upgrades also. Once you click on it, miss the upgrades. All the upgrades are also here. If you like this product, if you want to do some upgrades in it, all the plugins are, all the upgrades are available here. All you can get the description right on it and enjoy the benefit out of it. Now let us get into the sexy funnel OTOs. I must say the front end of this Comet is for $17, which is the world's first ChatGPT powered set and forget make money online website. Upsell 1 has basically a Comet unlimited edition that worth $147. It basically helps you. It's the world's first and only miracle bot powered by Google AI and unlimited free traffic and more. Upsell 2 is Comet done for you setup only for $297. In this upgrade, our team sets up the software for your customer. Upsell 3 is basically AutoPilot edition that is for $39. Your customer will be able to activate all the automation tools within Onyx. Upsell 4 is basically it's for 200 done for you campaigns editions only for $39, where your customer will get 200 done for you proven money making campaigns that have made us $50,000 is for the owner. Upsell 5 is basically a franchise edition, only worth $197, where your customer will get bumped up to 85% across the entire funnel with additional tutorials on how to promote the funnel to make sales. And you are going to get a lot of bonuses along with this product if you buy it. So guys, without any further ado, go click the link down in the description box, reach to the sales page that looks like this. That looks like this, and just grab the product when you come down. Let me just get down. Yeah, here. Click here to get started and enjoy at least the front end on that worth only $17. It's not gonna cost you more than a coffee that you drink every morning. You would be drinking every morning, and it's just for a limited time duration. This value or this price might be changed maybe after a couple of days. Nobody says what. It depends only on the vendor. Yeah. So guys, this was all about the Comet. I hope you like this product. If you like, comment down this video, like and subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. There is a link down in the description box, and go grab it. At least get some information about it, like how it works, how this is an AI app that is going to create set and forget sites and blast them to 100 plus traffic sources. That's insane actually, because nowadays a lot of people want to create their websites, but they have a lot of hindrances. They have a lot of confusions and puzzles about how to get the traffic. That is the main blood of your website. It's not of use if you don't have any traffic on your website. So this application is going to give you a traffic that is embedded in it, and you can do a lot of sales without any big struggle, and gradually you will understand, and you can get the benefit to get upgrades, to get more and more benefits if you keep on jumping in it and understanding more. And you have proper support system in it by the vendor, wherever you're stuck or wherever you want you to help your customer, then the vendor is going to help you. I hope you like this video. If yes, then thumbs up and like to this video. I hope to see you in some another video. Till then, bye.